We'll guide you through how to download and install Alex's mobs in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really cool pack as it goes and adds in more mobs. Let's guide you through how it can be done. So first of all, let's come and close Minecraft. Here we are on my desktop. What you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And then what you can do is go and type in Alex's mobs Minecraft, like so, and we can then head to CurseForge. Here we are. You can scroll down here and start seeing the information about the pack, but to go and download it, we need to come up here and press Files. Now we can scroll down, and I like to get the most recent one, which is this one here. For the mod loader, make sure that it says Forge and note down the game version. Press the three dots to the right and press Download File. You're going to go and see this countdown here. All you need to do is go and wait and it should start downloading. Press back. If we come to the description here, you'll see it needs Citadel. So go and click there and click Files. Make sure you go and get Citadel or Kitadel for the same version. In this case, it's 1.20.1 and make sure it's for Forge as well. Press the three dots to the right and press Download File. Now go and wait, come to a new tab and you can go and type in Minecraft Forge like so. This is essentially a mod loader which will allow us to go and run the mod. So come to files.minecraftforge.net, come to the left and we need to go and find the version. So we can select 1.20 and select 1.20.1 as that is the version that we got it for. Press installer and then you'll get taken to an ad wall here. Just be aware if you see a download button, it's for the ad. You need to go and click the skip button in the top right. It will then go and download. Now before we start the install process, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. They've got so many great features. I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and in the description. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice as well. So definitely worth checking them out. But their servers are 24/7 and they're gonna have 24/7 live chat assistance for whenever you need help. Instant setup so you can start on your server as soon as possible, one-click install mod packs and much more as well. To start the install process, we need to come and open up our file explorer, come to your downloads, and then what we can do is go and drag what we downloaded onto our desktop like so. So what we need to do is go and run Forge, double click on it. It should go and open up like this. If it doesn't open up, maybe nothing happens or something else happens, then what you need to do is we need to come back to our web browser and come to java.com. You can go and type that in, click the download button for download Java and download it and install it like any other app. Then come to Forge and right click on it, hover over open with, select choose another app, you'll get this pop up, select Java and press always and it will then go and open up. Select install client and then you can press OK and it's going to install. Be patient. Press OK and then what we can do is go and open up the launcher like so. At the top you need to press installations and scroll down and go and find Forge. Here it is. And you need to go and hover over it and press on the file or folder icon and the files will open up. Find the mods folder and you can go and open it up. If you don't have one, you can right click and create it. And what you can then do is go and drag in Alex's mods and also Citadel as well. That's it. You can close it, hover over Forge and click play. We can understand the risks and it will go and start. Minecraft is now gone and launched. We can see Forge is in the bottom left here. And if we go and press on the mods button, you can then go and see we've got Alex's mobs and Citadel. Now we can go and press done here and we're going to go and create a world. And I'll just go and run you through what we've gone and got. I'll do this in creative just so we can go and access the spawn eggs. So what you can do is go and right click on the animal dictionary and you can start going and learning about the different mobs here. As you can see, there's quite a lot to go and read about them all. And you can go through that and go and repeat that. But to go and start spawning them in, what we can do is go and open up our inventory by pressing E. At the top, you can go and use the arrows. And what we can then do is go and select Alex's mobs. So what we can then see here is the different spawn eggs. You're going to go and see there are loads. So for example here, I could go and use the rhinoceros. I've got that egg. I can go get the caiman. So many more to go and choose from here as well. So let's go and start spawning these in. I'm quite interested by the rhinoceros. So I can go and right click. And as you can see, there it is. That looks pretty cool. And then it's going to go and start moving around. And as well as that, we can also go and check out these other mobs as well. We could go and get the rattlesnake, for example. And there we go. Now that looks pretty cool. And that's going to go and start moving as well. What does the caiman look like? That looks pretty cool. It's actually going to go into the water potentially. Let's go and see what happens if we go and push it in. There we go, it's now in the water and it's swimming around as you can see, which is pretty cool. And yeah, there are so many more to go and look at as well. If I go and open up the inventory, we could go and use the seal. So we could go and spawn this in. I'll go and put that in the water like so. As you can see, it's now going to be swimming just like that, which is pretty cool. There's the Mungus. We've also got the Soul Vulture. That'll be pretty cool to go and spawn in. Then we go and place that just up here. And there we go. That looks pretty cool. That's going to go and fly. And we can just go and keep checking these out. There's actually sharks as well, which is pretty cool. So these will go and be in the water. And there are so many more to go and check out. For example, I could go and spawn in the moose. That'll be pretty cool to go and look at. If I go and right click, there is a moose. As you can see, that thing is huge. And there are so many more to go and look at as well. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, then make sure you go and check out Apex Hosting. As I said, they've got so many great features and there'll be a link down below which you can go and check out.